What you are about to watch is a goodbye video. Not for a person, not for a brand, but for something that millions of drivers around the world grew up with. Something that made driving feel alive, feel real, feel like you were actually in control of the machine. The manual transmission is dying. And in 2026, we are in the final years, the last chapter. Today, I'm going to show you the last cars you can still buy with a manual gearbox right now, before they are gone forever. And trust me, some of these are going to surprise you. If you have ever wanted to drive a real car with 3 pedals, this is your final warning. Let's go. Number 6, Jeep Wrangler. Starting the countdown at number 6, the only SUV on this list, the Jeep Wrangler. Yes, in 2026, you can still buy a brand new Wrangler with a 6-speed manual. And on a Wrangler, it makes complete sense. Off-road, crawling over rocks, controlling your speed on steep descents, a manual gives you a level of control that no automatic can replicate. The 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder paired with the 6-speed is genuinely brilliant. You feel every inch of the terrain. Starts at around $33,000, one of the most capable off-road vehicles on the planet with 3 pedals. Verdict: the last manual SUV worth buying. Number 5, and this one is for the everyday driver who still believes driving should be fun. The Honda Civic Si. 6-speed manual, only available with a manual. Honda refuses to offer an automatic on the Si, and God bless them for it. The 1.5-liter turbo makes 200 horsepower, but it feels faster than the numbers suggest. The shift throws are short, precise, and satisfying in a way that makes you find excuses to drive just for the sake of driving. Starts at $29,000, gets 38 miles per gallon on the highway, one of the most fun cars you can buy under 30 grand, full stop. The Civic Si is Honda saying, we still care about drivers. And in 2026, that statement means everything. Verdict: best manual car under $30,000. Comment below, would you daily drive a Civic Si? Yes or no? Number 4, because no list about manual transmissions is complete with the car that defined American muscle for 60 years, the Ford Mustang GT. The 5.0-liter Coyote V8 with the 6-speed manual is one of the greatest combinations in automotive history. That engine note at 7,000 RPM going through a manual gearbox is something that no electric motor, no automatic, no dual clutch will ever replicate. It is raw, it is loud, it is alive. 450 horsepower, starting at $42,000. And the manual Mustang GT has something the automatic version simply does not: soul. Ford has been hinting that future Mustangs will shift heavily towards hybrid and electric powertrains. The window on a V8 manual Mustang is closing. If this is on your bucket list, 2026 might be your last clean shot at it. Verdict: the last great American V8 manual. Buy it now. Number 3. And this is the purist's choice. The 2026 Toyota GR86. Rear-wheel drive, 6-speed manual, 228 horsepower naturally aspirated flat 4 that loves to rev all the way to 7,500 RPM. No turbo, no hybrid system, no electronic assistance trying to think for you. Just you, the road, and the machine. It weighs under 2,800 pounds. That low weight is what makes it magical. It rotates beautifully. It communicates everything through the steering wheel. It makes you a better driver just by existing. Starts at $30,000, one of the last affordable rear-wheel drive manual sports cars on the planet. Verdict: best driving experience under $35,000. The purist wins. Number 2. And yes, even at this price point, the manual makes this car better. The 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera with the 7-speed manual gearbox. The enthusiast community kept this alive by demanding it, and the 7-speed manual with the classic open-gate shifter is one of the most satisfying mechanical experiences in all of motoring. Precise, weighted perfectly. Every shift feels intentional and rewarding. 379 horsepower, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, which sounds slow for a Porsche until you realize you're rowing through the gears yourself and loving every second of it. Starts at around $115,000. Not cheap, but a manual 911 is an investment, both financially and emotionally. These will be collector cars within a decade. Verdict: the most rewarding manual driving experience money can buy. A future classic. Number 1 is a car that has been the symbol of manual transmission driving for 30 years, and it is still the best one you can buy today. And the number 1 last car you should buy with a manual transmission is the Mazda MX-5 Miata. The most pure, the most honest, the most connected driving experience that exists in 2026, and it has been that way since 1989. Here's what makes the Miata different from everything else on this list. It's not the fastest, it's not the most powerful, 181 horsepower, it's not the most expensive, $30,000, but nothing on this list makes you feel more connected to the act of driving. The shifter is perfectly positioned, the clutch pedal weight is exactly right, the steering is direct and communicative. When you drive a Miata on a good road with a good set of corners, you forget about horsepower. You forget about 0 to 60 times. You just drive, and you smile every single time. Mazda has confirmed they are working on an electrified Miata. The fully manual, naturally aspirated, lightweight Miata as we know it is living on borrowed time. Verdict: the greatest manual transmission car ever made. The most fun per dollar of anything on this list. Buy one before they're gone. The Mazda MX-5 Miata, number 1, and it has been for 35 years. Manual transmissions are not just a feature, they're a feeling. They're the reason millions of people fell in love with cars in the first place, and they're almost gone. Here's your list one final time. Number 6, Jeep Wrangler, last manual SUV worth buying. Number 5, Honda Civic Si, best manual under $30,000. Number 4, Ford Mustang GT, last great American V8 manual. Number 3, Toyota GR86, the purest sports car. Number 2, Porsche 911 Carrera, the most rewarding manual driving experience money can buy. A future classic. And number 1, the Mazda MX-5 Miata, the greatest manual car ever made, the most fun per dollar of anything on this list. If you own a manual right now, take it out this weekend, drive it on a good road, rev it out, feel it, because one day, sooner than any of us want, that feeling will only exist in memories and museums. Subscribe for more videos every week. Drop your favorite manual car in the comments. I want to know which one you would save. See you in the next one.